The API Connection tab under Configuration lets you connect your Zerodha Kite account for automatic trade sync. First, open your browser and visit the Kite Connect developer portal. Log in using the same Zerodha account that you use for trading. Once you're logged in, click on Create New App. Enter a name for your application. For the redirect URL, enter the URL provided inside the API connection section. After creating the app, Zerodha will display your API key immediately. Copy this key. To view your API secret, open the application details page. You will find both credentials listed there. Now return to Pro Trade Journal and open Configuration API Connection. Paste your Zerodha API key and API secret into the respective fields and click Save. Your credentials are encrypted and stored securely. They are never displayed in plain text and are used only to connect with Zerodha for trade synchronization. Once the setup is complete, click the Sync button from the navigation menu whenever you want to import your latest trades directly from Zerodha. This is the recommended setup for active traders because it eliminates manual uploads and keeps your trading journal updated automatically after every trading session. That's it. Your Zerodha account is now connected and ready for automatic trade syncing.